Gamers, parents, tech lovers, welcome to another episode in our A to Z tech journey. Today is all about GC gaming and game tech. From exciting games to scary scams, let's explore the digital playground your kids love. Are you ready? Let's go! Let's kick things off by talking about what's hot in the gaming world right now. We've got two categories, online and offline. In the online arena, we've got titans like Fortnite, PUBG Mobile, Call of Duty Warzone, and Valorant. And of course, the king of creativity, Roblox. It's like a digital Lego world. Which one do you or your kids play? Type A for online games, B for offline games in the comments. Now let's talk offline games. First on the list is the legendary Legend of Zelda Tears of the Kingdom. Then we've got the critically acclaimed Elden Ring. And who could forget about the classics? Red Dead Redemption 2 and GTA V Story Mode. Finally, the king of sandbox games, Minecraft single-player mode. Encourage your kids to try different genres and platforms. You never know what they might fall in love with. Now that we've talked about games, let's talk about where you can play them. We're talking about gaming platforms, the systems that bring these digital worlds to life. First up, we've got the heavy hitters PCs. With platforms like Steam and Epic Games, PCs offer a massive library of games. Next, we've got the consoles PlayStation 5, Xbox Series XS, and Nintendo Switch. Each console has its own exclusive titles and online services. Type A if you or your kids play on console, B for mobile, and finally, mobile gaming. With smartphones and tablets becoming increasingly powerful, mobile gaming has exploded in popularity. From casual puzzle games to hardcore RPGs, there's a mobile game for everyone. PCs offer customization, consoles provide a streamlined experience, and mobile games are perfect for on-the-go entertainment. The best platform for you or your kids depends on your individual preferences and gaming habits. What about those of us on a budget? Don't worry, I got your six. There are tons of awesome free-to-play gaming platforms out there. First up, we've got the legend itself, Roblox. Kids love it, and it's free to play. Next, we've got Epic Games, the company behind Fortnite. They offer a bunch of free games every week. Then we've got itch.io, a platform that's all about independent game developers. You can find thousands of free games on here, from experimental indie titles to retro-inspired gems. And if you're looking for something quick and easy to play on your phone, check out Poki.com and CrazyGames.com. They've got a massive library of browser-based games that you can play without downloading anything. Even if you're on a tight budget, you can still enjoy the wonderful world of gaming. These free-to-play platforms offer a ton of variety and entertainment, so dive in and explore. Just remember to set some ground rules for in-app purchases, because those can sneak up on you. While gaming can be incredibly fun and even beneficial, we gotta talk about the flip side. Like anything else in life, too much of a good thing can be bad, and gaming is no exception. First up, let's talk about the physical effects. Staring at a screen for hours on end can lead to eye strain, headaches, and even blurred vision. And let's not forget about the dreaded gamer posture, hunched over, shoulders rounded, neck craned forward. Trust me, your body will thank you later if you prioritize good posture and take frequent breaks. Now let's talk about the social side of things. While some games can be quite social, spending too much time in virtual worlds can lead to social isolation. It's important to make sure your kids are still interacting with real-life people. And then there's the big one, addiction. Gaming addiction is a real thing, and it can have serious consequences. If you notice your child neglecting their responsibilities or becoming increasingly irritable when they're not gaming, seek professional help. But it's not just about addiction. Excessive gaming can also lead to sleep problems, mood swings, and even aggression. Encourage your kids to engage in other activities, spend time outdoors, and cultivate a healthy lifestyle. A balanced approach is the best way to enjoy the benefits of gaming without succumbing to its potential downsides. Let's talk about something fun: gaming celebrities. Gaming has created its own roster of superstars. These are the gamers who've turned their passion into a full-blown career, amassing millions of fans. First up, we've got the legend himself, PewDiePie. With over 100 million subscribers on YouTube, he's built an empire playing games and making people laugh. Next, we've got Ninja, the blue-haired streaming sensation known for his incredible Fortnite skills. Then there's Shroud, the FPS god with lightning-fast reflexes and impeccable aim. And we can't forget about Jacksepticeye, the Irish gamer with a heart of gold and a laugh that's contagious. Gaming is now a profession, but it needs skill, discipline, and balance. And last but not least, we've got Pokimane, the queen of Twitch. Known for her positive attitude and dedication to her community, Pokimane has become a role model for aspiring gamers. These gaming stars are proof that with hard work, dedication, and talent, you can turn your passion for gaming into a successful career. They're taking the world by storm. So you've got a little gamer on your hands ready to dive into the world of online gaming. Exciting times. But before you unleash them into the digital wilderness, let's go over some essential ground rules. Rule number 1, set time limits. It's easy to get sucked into the virtual world, so establish clear boundaries. 1 to 2 hours a day is a good starting point, but adjust based on your child's age and maturity level. Rule number 2, protect your personal info. Make sure your kids know never to give out their real name, address, phone number, or school to anyone online. Rule number 3, don't talk to strangers. Stick to chatting with friends and family they know in real life. Rule number 4, report bad behavior. If someone is being mean or bullying, encourage them to report it immediately. Rule number 5, take breaks. Encourage your kids to take regular breaks from the screen. Parents, set screen time boundaries early. Communication is key. Talk to your kids about online safety, listen to their concerns, and stay involved in their gaming life. By working together, you can help them navigate the exciting world of online gaming safely and responsibly. These guidelines will keep your kids safe, respectful, and having fun. It's time to talk about the dark underbelly of the gaming world, scams and exploiters. These digital dragons are always on the lookout for unsuspecting players, especially young ones. First up, let's talk about fake reward scams. These scams promise free in-game currency, rare items, or even access to cheats and hacks. But they're all lies. These scams are designed to steal your personal information or infect your device with malware. Next, we've got clickbait ads. These are the annoying pop-ups and banners that lead to shady websites or download viruses onto your device. Teach your kids to be wary of any ads that seem too good to be true. And then, there are in-game purchase traps. Many games offer in-app purchases for cosmetic items or power-ups. Set clear limits on spending and make sure your kids understand the value of real-world money. Some exploiters target kids through chat, using manipulative tactics to gain their trust. Teach your kids to be cautious about who they talk to online, and to report any suspicious behavior immediately. The best way to protect your kids from scams and exploiters is through education and open communication. Talk to them about online safety, teach them how to spot red flags, and encourage them to come to you if they encounter anything suspicious. And don't forget about parental controls. Most gaming platforms offer robust parental control settings. So there you have it, folks. We've explored the exciting, ever-evolving world of gaming and game tech. Remember, gaming itself isn't good or bad, it's all about how we use it. Gaming is a gateway to creativity, community, and careers, if used wisely. Like, comment with your gaming stories, and don't forget to share this with fellow parents and gamers. See you in the next one.